friends, my name is Yomi. Today my mom gave me a challenge from I want to draw a painting in 5 minutes. Today mom gave me a challenge for this dinosaur. This dinosaur is so big and this helped me, but I'm not scared of dinosaur. Then I got lots of rainbow colors. Then I'm going to draw only one dinosaur. Then you want to know the bodies are look like that. Then this is a dinosaur book. You can see the correct answer. This is the dinosaur book. Then it is finished out of some paper. Then I take this paper and draw one dinosaur.
Okay, do it.
Firstly, I want to add a brown color. Okay. Then I color over here. Then I color it all of them to just this side. But you know the coloring is fine. You know mom gave me a talent, then I am coloring this. Then I am doing my color plate. First I draw a mountain like this. And some bigger mountain. Then I draw some smaller mountain like this. This is a sun. Drawing a small mountain. Then I am drawing here a sun. Sun like circle. Then I drawing like this. This one don't color it because it is for river. Then I draw a river.
Great.
Mama, I'm only drawing the face. Then in river some lights. So it's waves. It's called waves. Then I am drawing a hut.
Now view.
Not yet.
Wow.
Yes.
Tell me about this painting.
This painting.
Yes.
This painting is for just is for yellow. Then I use yellow color with just yellow color and paint all of them about yellow color. Then I do it some more time. It's at 50 times already 50.
Okay.
And then our people come and look our painting. We do a good painting. Yes, na?
Yes.
Then if you want to draw a dinosaur, then can do who is this name?
Is a Allosaurus.
Allosaurus, then color the Allosaurus. Then you want to color the Allosaurus, just tell me the color.
Complete?
Okay. But I do something else.
What?
Some designer.
Okay.
I want some heart with the
View?
color.
Complete?
Not yet. Some
Okay.
more.